Tell us about the fixed and manual bucky stand today. Let's talk about the bucky stand as a whole. Firstly, the fixed grid chest rack is used on various medical diagnostic machines to perform filter photographing on the head, chest, abdomen, pelvic and other parts of the human body. The device is arbitrarily positioned in the vertical up and down movement range, and is easy to operate, flexible and reliable in film shooting, and has a wide range of uses. The device is composed of a filter grid, a cassette drawer, a column, a trolley frame and the like. Bucky stand main technical parameters. The moving distance of the center of the cassette is 1,100 millimeters. Mounting film cassette size 203 millimeters, 254 millimeters, 810 to 432 millimeters, 432 millimeters, 1717. Grid optional. Grid density 40 lines, cm. Gate ratio 10:1. Convergence distance 180 centimeters. If you want to know more about Nuheek Bucky stand, please contact our customer service.